How to restore system default without deleting user data in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option general. Now click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down in last and here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and here enter your passcode to reset all your settings. It will reset all the settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other personal data. So this is the way to restore system defaults without deleting user data in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.